New buses, including an electric option, more Wi-Fi hotspots and training in coding. The Jamaica Urban Transit Company received 50 diesel and 6 compressed natural gas CNG buses in August and November, a welcomed relief for commuters.
This obviously will alleviate a lot of the frustration and, of course, the waiting time, which has been up to 2.5 hours for certain routes.
Going the eco-friendly route, JUTC rolled out its first electric bus for testing in April. The government also invested in a fire suppression system for JUTC buses that will automatically extinguish engine fires. Road safety remained a top priority in 2023 as the new Road Traffic Act came into effect on February 1. To enforce the act, a new ticket management system was implemented across Tax Administration Jamaica, the courts, Island Traffic Authority, and the Jamaica Constabulary Force. Major upgrades were undertaken at the island's 2 main airports. The Sangster International Airport runway extension work continued, and an additional $70 million was allocated to expand the check-in hall, outbound security, car park, and other areas. At the Norman Manley International Airport NMIA, new air conditioning units were installed, plus other upgrades. Jamaica's air travel safety reached a new level with the creation of a National Aviation Safety Plan. In the maritime field, Jamaica and Canada signed a reciprocal recognition agreement for its seafarers to legally work on ships sailing under the Jamaican and Canadian flags.
There are several impactful achievements for the Transport Authority in 2023. The true aspect of our new licensing management system called TAMES. We have gone through the various teething pains and we have done the necessary tweaking that were required, and we are very excited about the new prospect in terms of the Transport Authority's capability to deliver a license online to our customers. We have also concluded works on the Transport Authority's regulation, and that regulation is currently for CPC.
I think the whole management of the transport sector is doing much better than over the last probably 5 years or so.
Jamaica's digital transformation in 2023 was broadened with the expansion of internet access island-wide. All 14 parish capitals are now outfitted with public Wi-Fi sites. The National Broadband, Community Wi-Fi Hotspots, and Community Access Points programs were also strengthened. Under the TAP 3 coding program, USF and Heart NSTA Trust provided training to 100 coders. 40 coders who graduated at the start of 2023 received immediate employment with Amber Group Limited. The Universal Service Fund, USF, and eLearning Jamaica also signed a partnership to provide more technological support in schools. With the resumption of the Rural Electrification Program REP, several communities island-wide are set to receive regularized electricity. Also in 2023, the ministry started discussions around the creation of a national roadmap for a peaceful nuclear energy program.
It is important for us to recognize the broader benefits of incorporating a cost-competitive energy source, such as nuclear energy, as our dominant source of energy. The opportunities that it can present in terms of creation of new industries, employment and economic growth, and the overall well-being of Jamaicans can be enormous.
On the legislative agenda, a joint select committee of Parliament reviewed the Cybercrimes Act and put forward recommendations.
The committee supports the recommendation that there should be harsher penalties in relation to offences against children, and that there should be a distinction between the penalties for offences committed against children, by children, and adult offenders, and that the term of imprisonment be increased from 15 to 20 years for an adult who commits an act where the victim is a child.
Advancing Jamaica's transformation in science, energy, telecommunications, and transport was the top priority and outcome in 2023.